decide we're going to do it.
Oh my god. It's like this just went straight in front of that lorry and cut him up.
I know. I never follow those cars. Don't they realise that lorries take ages to stop?
Don't do it, it's a 40. And then it goes into the 30. What the fuck? It just got flashed as well. I just asked him about if there was any mail that could have to the house.
Sorry, I got such a fucking
It's not much. Oh my god, how fast is it going?
Houston is on October 15th. You can go to gayspodcast.com/live for those tickets. You can also go to thepodcastawards.com and vote for us under the LGBTQ category. You can go to
purchases that I have made that do better in terms of overall increase in quality of life than getting a nice bike.
These got moves don't even look like e-bikes. They don't have the like telltale like this is an e-bike, but it's got some big thing on it, you know, it's a big motor.
Yeah, that's true. I am very willing to shorter mood lift.
Lived in Gravesend, I'd occasionally get the train to Water East. But they changed it on there. The old guy told him to move forward.
Yeah. That's pretty good reason.
You're just there for the community of it all.
Yeah, exactly.
Meanwhile, I'm not here to make friends.
I'm here to make friends with policemen.
Exiting average speed zone.
I thought it was so
No thoughts, just vibes.
much vibes. I forgot to mention that Officer Dixon was surrounded by
Squiggles.
sparkle emojis.
Oh, even better. So we received an email from Emma, who we had not heard from in a
Yes.
while. Emma, she her friend with, she was signs it, and she says barely holding it together, comma, Emma. So that was her sign off. But she sent a book called Priest by Sierra Simone.
Uh-oh.
Now,
Like he's claimed that it was basically like deadlifting at the time. He may have been doing like an Olympic lift though. But like either way, I don't know how you actually crush your knee with the weight.
It's very difficult.
It seems hard to drop it on one knee like that. Like it's easy to injure yourself doing lifts like that. But like I don't know how you shatter a single knee that way. I'm not saying it's impossible, but I don't know how you do it.
The mechanics are eluding me, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's a little baffling to try to like work out in your head. He claims that like the doctors, because he's in his version of events, he was a super famous weightlifter, and so all these doctors run up to the stage when he hurts himself, and they do a scan.
well, but the bus we talked about there, just a minute ago, was going up to Cliff, which is where there's the cooling castle and an a red light. What are you people doing? Well, that's optional apparently. But I thought it done in bloody hours. I didn't get to see it enough time in advance when I was an orange electric Volkswagen bus that just drove past the new one. I look like the colours you got.
Preamble is actually something I think a lot about when I'm doing video topics as well. It's like sometimes there's an idea that you want to convey, but the idea requires a lot of preamble.
Yeah.
And like that, and that's the theme system journal has that. Like having an inbuilt audience through the podcast gives us a big advantage in starting out this company.
And we're very grateful for that.
And we're very grateful for
Incredible.
it. Yeah. But that's because everyone here has the preamble in their head already. And it's something that I think I didn't fully understand until we started to think about other stuff. It's like, oh yeah, if someone wants to buy the journal, there was already an inbuilt assumption that they've heard you and me talk a bunch.
Slightly longer than the bit that was on that bit. It's only big. Yeah, but remember it had the vegan bit and the different bits, and the rest of it was in two separate things. Just imagine it all combined together.